Welcome to Flash Sale. This is where opportunity moves fast. Every machine on this page is a quality piece of equipment. There's nothing wrong with them. No hidden issues, no surprises. So why are they here? Because the seller has made a smart business decision. Their real estate is worth more than a machine sitting idle. Unused floor space costs money. Idle equipment ties up capital, and when it's not producing, it isn't performing. Flash sales solve that. We help sellers free up valuable space immediately, and in return, buyers get access to aggressive, below-market pricing designed to move now. These aren't maybe someday prices. These are act today prices. If you've been waiting for the right deal on a quality machine, this is where you find it. The seller wins, you win, and the machine gets back to doing what it was built to do, produce. But understand this, flash sale inventory doesn't sit. When you see it, move on. That's the flash sale. Speed, value, opportunity.